Arts Workfly.
Just to show you a bit of work that I've been doing so far behind the scenes, these are some words that I made by hand, calligraphy. This is a presentation board that I made along with another teacher. Now this is the classroom that I got, my form classroom, and I decided it needed a bit of makeover. So this is how it was before. Then I started painting, so these are a few pictures. Then I made some charts to put up, but I didn't get a chance to complete them. Then I put the students in groups. It lasted for about a month or two, but that is the final product. So it went from this to this. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.